see something.
Come on. Kisa manchi. Chimuka maxeni ndo sunga chamba. Chindi vura iwa brani kandi sati nda famba. Weekendi nandirupa deni kandi chinga manamba. Ndo simbi sa sunga ichamba. Muna bonza ho. Brani ka. Ino kudonza. Ujo vapa na maposto. Asi ukamuna daga. Gaga. Uji wa simba sa umaga.
Oh, my carrot. Tawani nagarumere. Sanandiji tengere. Sanandiji nakere. Oh, my carrot.
Good vibe, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me.
Hey. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And we back with another video. It's your boy LK Zana and I'm here with KC
Munyamuti
JR. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be reacting to Rasta My Carrots. So I don't know the song. These guys just told me about the song, so I'm like, hey, why not just record it, right? Alright,
yes,
so
sir.
I can't say much. Let's just go in straight into it. Let's go.
Pick up faster, king of friends, General Oliver, Strategy. Next time they saw when this is Ras Bendem. When I say Rasta Makerati, give me the rhythm selector champion.
New generation music.
You again, just wanna fit through this. How you walking? Oh, Makerati. I'm from a bolo, I'm from the second grade. Oh, Makerati. Oh, my carrot, carrot, it's like a plastic chunk of my sister. Oh, my carrot, carrot, it was it. The better one, only give what you need. Carrot, it's on pepper, just a little to get it up. Carrot, it's on pepper. After one, make a run, big fella. They go to bed, something to get it up. They go to get it up, something to tap it. Look at the singer that you can be up. Oh, my carrot. I'm from a bolo, I'm from the second grade. Oh, my carrot. I'm from the second grade. Oh, my carrot. Carrot, it's like another place to talk about my sister. Oh, my carrot.
Ah, baby, you up. Ah, pull.
Carrot, it's like another place to talk about my sister. Oh, my carrot. Carrot, it's like a you call it Papa Sham. One people shampoo, don't be down there. Carrot, it's on the river, take us a one. In Yamaman, it's only one. Papa Sham, Papa Sham, one people shampoo, young, and some day one. Carrot, it's on the river, take us a one. I want to tell me, oh, my carrot, I need a bottle out of the shampoo, get the river. Oh, my carrot, I want to oh, my carrot, Sagana ka plaza mchanga kwa masiso. Oh, my carrot, carrot, it was it ever. Mukita moja magna mchengo chango kwa. Mukita magna kwa masoro chete. Mukita moja magna. Magna kwa masoro chete. Mukita moja magna mchengo chango kwa. Mukita magna kwa masoro chete. Mukita moja. Dia mchengo chaja mise. Oh, my carrot. The Rasta My Carrot in this house.
Master Nick. Guys, where do you find these songs, guys? with oh makeroti. Oh makeroti.
Ndabata one ndinenge natoromerera ndabata carrot ndakakorera ndakorera sesene kutsukirira carrot dzandzina nakira tawani ndakaromerera dzandichidzengera dzandichinakirira
Oh makeroti.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Another one.
guys, come on.
What do you think of this song?
Bruh. I have no words, guys. I have no words. I don't know, guys.
Whoa, Makeroti.
Tell us what you think about the song, guys.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Makeroti. Guys, drop.
Is it innovation?
It's innovation, guys. It's innovation. Hey, if you like this one, drop a carrot emoji, guys. Drop a carrot emoji, guys. Alright, that's it. That's the end of the reaction. The review. I don't know what to call this, guys. It's your boy LK Zan, and I'm here with
KC
and
Munyamuti.
Makeroti. Say Nigeria, basically.
Jera.
Whoa, Makeroti. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't live what they say, get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They gon' be calling my name, hey. They gon' be calling my name, hey. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon' be, yeah.